Hello and welcome to the EMP Tech Group. Today I'm out in our shop area. This is the part of our building where we print labels for customers, we repair printers out here, we assemble projects, kind of a jack of all trades utilitarian place. As you can see by our beat up table that gets a lot of use. Today I'm here to simulate what we see in a lot of our customers, particularly in manufacturing, but also in shipping stations and logistics. Where you've got a really small amount of space, but you've got a need for 2 or 3 or even 4 industrial label printers all kind of stacked up together. And that's not a very good situation because these printers, you cannot open the side doors to change media out when they're this close together. And one solution we see a lot of customers do is to just leave the doors open. And Zebra's bifolded these doors in the last few years, so you don't have to have quite as much room to swing that media door open. But that's not a good situation because you'll get a lot of dirt and dust, particularly if your environment is a little bit dusty. You'll find that you'll start having label blemishes because you're getting foreign objects on your labels and on your ribbons. So it's far better if you keep this cover down, but you can see that unless you've got something slick and cool like this printer slide, it's really going to be hard to get printers in close proximity when you've got a small working space. Unless you've got something like this, which is a product we developed about 10 years ago. It's a printer slide. It's really nice and heavy duty. This base is bolted down to the table so that you can cantilever this printer out and nothing falls over. You could also have this printer on a slide if you had another printer down on the end. And it's just a cool little product that we developed many years ago. We've had a lot of customers buy this from us over the years, and we thought we'd do a video highlighting it a little bit. So accordion's out, nice, easy, cool, good slide, got a handle, allows you to open the door, open the print head, change your media out, put it back together, ready for the next roll of labels and ribbons, and then slide it back. You can't see from this view, but there's some screws and some little anchors back here to keep your cords from getting tangled up as you slide it in and out. But it's a handy little slide. Again, not very expensive. It's on our website. And we thought we'd show you this product today in case it's something that you could use as well. Call us anytime, email us. Our website is www.emptechgroup.com. Have a good day.